Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, my beautiful people. The general actually not doing a video. Guys, I just want to show you what Canada actually look like. Yeah, this is crazy. See guys, look, I was trying to clean my car. Can't even get in my car. Look over there. On my daughter's car. Beautiful people. It is rough. Yeah man. There is no getting over this, guys. This was not planned. This was not scripted. You know? Everybody is trying to help themselves. Guys, this is Canada. This I can't even walk. It's so cold, beautiful people. It's massive, massive cold. It's freezing. You know? So at the end of the day, guys, all I'm saying is guys, it's very, very cold. Yeah, man. That's all I can say. Beautiful people. Freezing. Trying to get out. You know, but as usual, you know the general. You know. Tell you guys, I'm wearing my slippers. Yeah. This is it. That's the neighborhood right there. Not nice, guys. Yeah, man. Show you a little bit. How are you?
Hey, that's right. How you doing?
Good, good, thanks. Are you enjoying that?
Hell no.
I'm sure not.
Least favorite chore ever.
Oh my gosh. I haven't seen Canada like this in a while.
It's been a while.
Oh my gosh.
It's like the Canadian Sisyphus.
Yes.
Just never keep shoveling.
I know. It's freezing, guys. See the children having fun, guys? That's how it is.
That's been one saving grace.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Beautiful people. It's the general. With our guys, it's rough. This is Snowbank. Yeah. Just showing you like what we're up against. So just saying hi, guys. Beautiful people. Yeah. So this is the road, guys. Everybody's doing their stuff. Yeah. It is impossible or impassable. Yeah. See? See, guys? This is what's gonna happen. You know? And I won't kid you guys, it's cold, it's freezing. Normally, here it is. It's Sunday. And it is snowing. And it is rough. Yeah, man. Guys, look at that. Can't even walk through that, beautiful people. Yeah? So please, if you're not in America, only America looks like this right now. So there it goes. Yeah? guys. See? I was gonna shovel the snow, guys, but it's not nice. Yeah, man. So beautiful people. It's the general. A very snowy day in Canada. And I'm asking you guys to be patient, like, share, and subscribe. Peace out.